Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are reading the book Why Not Me? A Feeling of Millions by Anubhav Agarwal. I already uploaded the 16th chapter of this book. Click on the I button and watch it. This is the second part of the 17th chapter. So let's start. Zoya, you have no idea how long I have waited to hear this, to hear you say those words, to have all that with you, all the love and care that we see in movies. You have no idea how much I love you, how many nights I have cried myself to sleep. Now that you have finally said it, it is so hard for me to believe that it's true. Oh my God, I have no words to explain how I feel. The fact that you waited is the reason why I could not stop myself. The day I texted you, you responded to me with such respect, even when confessing your feelings. You still treat me the same way you did 3 years ago. Nothing has changed, not your behavior towards me, nor your love. You have given me the respect that not even my family given me. There can be no one else as perfect for me as you are. Zoya, I cannot thank you enough for understanding me, for loving me, for respecting me as you have today. I have a lot to say to you, but I don't know why I cannot put into words. There are so many things that I felt, but I cannot express. There is so much love that I want to give you. I had tears in my eyes when I said this, but they were tears of happiness, not of sadness. I know and I understand you have expressed your feelings to me, but even if you don't, I will always understand. I promise you that. This moment is the 1,000 times more special for you than it is for me, because you have waited for it for so long that you cannot believe it is true. Oh, how I wished she was with me. I would have had her and would never have let her out of my sight. But it was okay. Messaging and talking on the phone were fine too. As soon as I disconnected the call, I ran to Ma and hugged her for a long time. She was stunned. She didn't understand what was happening, so she just hugged me back. But I knew that she was glad to see me happy. 20th April 2012 to 18th March 2015 was the longest journey I had ever made in my life. But the journey was beautiful. It was full of everything, pain, waiting, and so much excitement too. And now it was time for love. It was here to stay, to make the journey even more beautiful than it had been before. So this is the second part of the 17th chapter. I will upload the next chapter soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like, then let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.